I'm Eric Banholtz. I am the founder of Beardbrand. I got the inspiration to unite the community of urban beardsmen. And at Beardbrand, we are striving to foster confidence through grooming. We serve our customers primarily through our website, beardbrand.com. When we started our business, we would make the products in my kitchen and then we would run to USPS and just drop them in the envelopes there. I vividly remember looking for a better solution and finding ShipStation, and it was just like night and day. Like our cost for shipping were cut in half. It just fundamentally allowed us to do so much more business.
ShipStation saves us so much time. It makes it really easy and seamless to just pick an order, print everything you need, and just slap the label onto the box and it's ready to go. All of our orders are placed through Shopify, and then they funnel over to ShipStation really easily, and then through the automation and the presets we have in ShipStation, those orders are then able to divide up to the appropriate warehouses that they need to go to. It just makes it so much easier for us and our 3PL partners to be able to just process orders in bulk, quickly and efficiently.
All that brain energy that we would have to put into figuring out how to ship things can now go into developing class-leading products. At Beardbrand, the total brand experience really focuses on that unboxing experience. For us, what that means is some of our boxes are custom printed and designed. One of the nice things about ShipStation is we can drop our logo right into the shipping label, and it's those small little details that, to me, as a designer, make all the world of difference. ShipStation's been doing what they do well so that we can make sure that we're able to deliver to our customers and have that beautiful branded premium experience that they demand from Beardbrand.